I broke my back.
What do you mean by that?
My back is broken.
What, a vertebrae or what portion?
Spinal.
And just like Mike Tyson said, my back is broken. So unfortunately, I hurt myself at work last Wednesday. Back started going out. You know, I work at UPS. It's a hard labor job, and my back just kind of took a crap on me. So had to call supervisor, had to get pulled off the truck, and went home. And then after further research, I pinched my sciatic nerve. Sciatic nerve is a little nerve that goes from the lower back through your butt all the way down to your leg. So I have pain all through that area. I'm doing a lot better. Happened last week, so I got rid of a lot of the swelling. I'm actually standing up and moving around, so that's cool. But anything physical hurts. So physical is cars. So I didn't want to just not post the video for like a month or so, just in case people were wondering what's going on. I didn't want to just leave you guys in the dark. So unfortunately right now I can't work on cars. I can't drift. I can't do car reviews. I can't do anything because anything I do physically hurts. It sucks. It hurts to sit in the car. I can't bend over. If I drop a 10 millimeter bolt on the ground, I can't pick it up. It really sucks. I am healing, but it's just taking a while. Going to chiropractor, getting massages and stuff, but it's just taking a while. So I can move, but it sucks. So I just want to let you guys know that I'm healing, but if there's no content popping up anytime soon, it's because my back is broken. So obviously the head has not been pulled off this car yet. Drift car is sitting here waiting to be drifted. I even have brand new tires over here. I even have to walk slower. I have brand new tires over here that I plan on using this weekend. So I don't remember the date. May 4th is today. Formula D Atlanta is actually Saturday, or Friday and Saturday. And then they were actually going to host a drift event Sunday at Lanier, the place I always drift at. They were going to do another after party Sunday drift thing that I was really excited for, had tires for. But unfortunately, now that I'm hurt, I definitely can't sit in a car and drift. So all that bouncing around and shifting back and forth is going to hurt like crazy. So that's not going to happen. So yeah, just want to update you guys. I'll try to think of some videos I can do that won't be like super boring. But I just don't want to like not post anything for a month and, just, how YouTube is, algorithms, you got to find, you got to be consistent. That is one of the hardest things in YouTube, but being consistent. And now that I can't physically do anything, that sucks. So this car, it's been down. Obviously, it's been down. I don't want to jinx it, but I did come up with a plan. May, since we're already in May, and this week is Formula D. Next week is free. And the week after that, there's Alpine Fair, Alpine Volkswagen Fair, something like that, up in Helen, Georgia. And for me, it's only like an hour. So I think I'm going to try to get the car towed up there, kind of like the Riverside situation, because the car is still drivable. It just has a blown head gasket, so I can't drive it far. But I think if I can get it towed up there, I can at least drive around the city and like hang out with everybody, take pictures. Again, I try not to say it because I don't want to jinx it, but it is what it is. It's only an hour. Worst case scenario, I think I can make the drive if I can actually sit in the car then. But that's like 3 weeks from now. I should be fine by then. But yeah, so hopefully there's a lot of E36s going up there. That's why I really want to go. I know it's like a Volkswagen meet. It's kind of like old SoWo, if you guys remember SoWo. So I definitely want to go up there. It'd be a bunch of E36s that I know are going, so I definitely want to hang out with them. So that'd be really dope. And then as far as drift car, again, I'm just ready to drift it. But I have been ordering some stuff. I'm not going to spoil everything. Told a couple friends, but basically, without spoiling it, I'm waiting on shipment. It's going to take a while because it's over there. So when everything gets here, like I said, now that I know what I'm doing with the drift car, I can't wait to make it look sick. So that's the next steps I'm doing now to make this car look sick. So we're gonna be making this car look sick when I get back, and yeah. So and then when everything shows up, of course, because it's all being delivered. So that's it. Just wanted to update you guys. It sucks. I got something new for my office. I can show you that. I can show you some of my behind the scenes stuff. How about let's do that so I can give you guys something to look at today. All right, here is my office, and this is my new screen. This is a Samsung 49-inch ultra wide G9 something. I don't know, it's way too many numbers, but I got this thing. I wanted this thing for like 2 years, and I finally got one. I actually found it on Marketplace for $500. The guy was selling it. He got it from his girlfriend. I think he talked to him for a little bit. I think he was a music producer, and he said he got the screen from his girlfriend. It was way too big for him, and he just wanted to get rid of it. So he listed it for $500. He said he had like 30 messages, and I said, well, I'm ready now. If you give me an address, I'm in the car. I can go get it now. And I did. I popped some pain pills, hopped in the car. He helped me put it in here, and then I had the kids help me, pull it out, and then, put everything together. And I know what you're going to say. Don't put that on the floor, but it's actually on wood blocks. I can't bend down to show you. You just have to trust me. So it is raised a little bit because it no longer fits on my table. So, but this thing is beautiful. I love this thing. For editing software, it's awesome because I have everything all on one screen, which is perfect. And then my entire timeline is down here, so I don't have to keep scrolling left and right and all that stuff when I'm editing stuff. And this is an old video. This was That Dude in Blue drift event. You guys have probably seen that. I just put something on the screen just to show you guys how it works. And yeah, so if you haven't seen that video, go watch it. It was fun. So that's that. And over here, this is my little driving sim, a little 40-inch TV, and a little Logitech wheel. I got that for $200 with the stand, and Xbox that I rarely play. I don't even know where my controller is. That's how rarely I play it. I think the only time I really played was using the sim, and I never drifted on here. I only played F1. I play that with some friends, and then I tried to drift on Forza like one time, and I was like, this is fucking whack, and I drift better in real life, so I never drifted again. So it just kind of sits here now. I used to have a seat for it, but I put the seat in the drift car, so I actually had the red NRG seat as my seat, and that's, I put it in the car, so now it just really sits there and does nothing. I need another seat. I'd love to use that again. And I told you guys I wanted to do merch, so I'm buying all this stuff for the merch. But of course I can't do it right now because it hurts. But I bought the printer. I have shipping bags. Under there's shirts. I think there's 50 shirts in there. There's the press. The press is like 40 pounds, so I can't pick that up right now. Here's my little transfers. I've ordered transfers over and over again because I keep trying to get them perfect. And I think I got really good ones now. So I don't know. We'll find out another day. I can't do anything today. So but that's my office. This is my, so I can't wait to go back to filming videos so I can edit on this beautiful thing. But right now it's a display model because sitting down in the chair for longer than 10-20 minutes really hurts. So it just sucks. Everything sucks. But it doesn't suck. 20,000 subscribers. I forgot to mention that. We hit 20,000 subscribers. And I really want to thank you guys. That's awesome. Even if you're watching this video right now, which has nothing to do with anything, but the fact that you're even watching it, I want to say thank you. Yeah, I'm going to try to get back to doing some type of videos. And but I really I can't do anything right now. And it really sucks. It's frustrating. It's annoying. I just sit at home and watch TV and anime, and I'm so bored. I am so freaking bored. Like, I'd rather just go back to work. Like, this sucks, but it is what it is. So I'll heal up. I'll get back to it. But yeah, thank you for the 20K. This is a monumental number. That is like, that's a lot of people. Like, if you think like there's 20,000 people that have watched a video and hit subscribe. 20,000. That's dope. That's a lot. I can't fit 20,000 in this room. I don't think I can fit 20,000 in this house. That's a lot. I definitely can't fit 20,000 in this house. That's a stadium. That's a whole stadium is watching my channels. That's dope. So anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys hopefully soon.